current for the next database, the next COVID-19 report. It should be Israel. Israel is another country that has been struggling. Of course, part of the trouble with Israel is it's such a small country with the population size. It's really hard to. Everything looks bad. Everything made it worse than it really is. Okay, so let's just go ahead and run our report. Let's check, make sure there's nothing down here we can get rid of. Okay, good. Let's pull in some data, run a couple of means. So you can see currently Israel's averaging 103 cases per day and about 5.25, a little over 5 deaths a day also. So here's cases by date. You can see a spike up here and a spike down here. It looks like the moving average is actually finished down for one day. Let's take a look at deaths. Deaths continue to climb upward. Does appear to be maybe a little volatility here, pulling the numbers back down, but it's still, as you can see, above 20 per day. Between 20 and 40 per day is probably where it's at right now. That's 20 and 40 deaths per day. Let's take a look at a closer look at the current spike, which began in June. You can see it climbed here, then it kind of leveled off, and now it's just doing this steady climb back up. It's a large spike right there. That's cases, of course. There's deaths from June 1st to today. Once again, a steady climb up and a little drop right here. So even on this level here, Israel has definitely continued to struggle. So let's take a look at the weekly cases in that case. Cases continue to decline. That's just, we have more cases this week than last week. Well, deaths are continuing to climb, although at a slower rate than cases. As you can see here, this current week's was harder than the last 2 weeks also. So let's take a look here at some monthly numbers then. But you can see cases is well past, September cases is well past August numbers. And deaths, with a few days to go, have already passed August deaths. So, so Israel is definitely still in a battle with COVID-19 right now. I'd like you to join me in lifting the nation of Israel up in prayer that God will remove this pestilence from the country of Israel, as well as from the country of the U.S. So that takes care of the report for today. So we'll run this quickly from the top. And once again, update the data, update the web page on GitHub.